Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to do unboxing. My husband bought me a air fryer oven toaster. So, I'm going to do unboxing here. This is the air fryer toaster oven. The brand name is Farberware. So, my husband bought this in Walmart. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it nicely because I want to see this air fryer. If it's so not really big, I gonna like it, but if really big, that doesn't fit on my kitchen, so we're going to return this in Walmart if it's big enough to my kitchen, because we don't have big space here. Our apartment is too small, our kitchen. Yeah, so so this is not a sponsor of Walmart or of this brand right here. I just my husband just bought it for me today, so I'm going to try to check. So okay guys, we're gonna start unboxing our Farberware air fryer toaster oven. So this is $69.88. So let's start our unboxing here. I want to open it nicely, so if ever I don't like it, because when my husband bought it, I'm not with him. So let's see if ever I like it. So we're not gonna return it to Walmart, but if I not gonna like this, we're going to return in Walmart. Okay, so I'm cutting the plastic here. So let's do the unboxing here, right here. Yeah. There, just put the top there. And this, I think, do like this. Wow! Yeah. Look at this, guys. Oops. Upside down. I think this is upside down. Okay, this is upside down. Let's do it the right way here. It's upside down. Okay, this way. Right there. So here we go. So my oven is small like this. Okay, let's do our unboxing here. I don't know if this brand is a good brand. Because the one I saw on online, like this big, exactly like this big is $200, but the brand is Cuisinart. So, but this one is a Farberware brand. Wow, look at this. Okay, so right here, okay. Ah, there's a tape. Oh yeah. So okay, right here is the pan when you're frying. Right here. And let's cut this tape here. Oh, look at this. So you can set this one in here. Like that. I think. Or lower like that. Yeah. Yes. You can do like that. You can put your I think you can put whole chicken in it also. Oh my god, this is nice. Whole chicken or wings, chicken wings. You put the seasoned chicken wings here, and then you can air fry with that. Yeah, you can. This is the manual, the book instruction. So I didn't read it yet, so maybe later I'm gonna read it. So yeah, and there is a baking pan also here. This is a baking pan. Baking pan. And what do you call this? Look at that. So this is included with this air fryer, toaster oven. Yeah. So yeah, so this is all. And this one you can fry the whole chicken or anything you wanna fried without using oil. So that's the good thing on the air fryer, but I never tried this yet. So I don't know, hopefully this one is good. Yeah, same big with my oven. Yeah, so you can, there's an instruction right here. Oh, right there. French fries, 375 Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 minutes. Wow, yeah, whole chicken. So there's an instruction here on how many degrees, how many minutes you're gonna cook your chicken or pizza, French fries. Yeah, so I like this. I think I'm going to like this one. Just enough hot. Okay, so yeah, this one you can put here, right there. Or I don't want to put that there because it's too high. You can remove this one. And you can put this one. So this is for baking. Oh no, from like this. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right there. If you're doing baking. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, and you can put this on the second layer. Yeah, look at that. This is great. Nice one. So this is it. So it's stainless. There's no, this is the back. So yeah. So this is it, guys. Yes, my husband bought in Walmart. I'm not with him when he bought it today. So because I'm just staying at home. So I saw another brand but different size, the round one in black color, but I think, and this is cheaper than the other one I saw in online. This is just $69.88. So the other brand that I'm saying in online, it cost like, the smallest one is $79. So the size, the big air fryer like this is worth $200. I think it depends on the brand because that brand is Cuisinart. So guys, this is the function button. I think you need to turn down like this. So I will gonna check later the book, the manual of this one. This is the temperature button. Yeah, and the start button and temperature. And when you turn this on, I think some popping up on this small screen here, so we can see. But I've not tried to plug it right now. I just unboxing it. Yeah, so when I try to cook something, I will show you how this one function, how the button function later. Yeah. Okay, once again, here's the inside. Yeah, right there. You can put the whole chicken here. You can remove this and you can wash. Look at that. Oh, nice. Yeah. I'm not gonna return this in Walmart, I think, because it's like really nice, because it's still you can bake cake here, because I like baking also. So this is great. So I have a air fryer, oven toaster, and still I can bake some cakes or muffin, everything. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. This is what I really need, my air fryer. Thanks for watching, guys.